Welcome to the Giza Plateau. Today we begin an immersive three-part journey through the last surviving wonder of the ancient world, starting with the Titan itself, the Great Pyramid of Khufu. Built over 4,500 years ago for the pharaoh Khufu, this monument was the tallest man-made structure on Earth for nearly 4 millennia, consisting of roughly 2.3 million stone blocks, each weighing up to 15 tons. Its construction remains one of history's greatest engineering mysteries. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Now, let's step inside. Visitors today enter through a tunnel forced open in the 9th century, leading deep into the heart of the stone giant. We ascend through the Grand Gallery, a 47-meter-long architectural masterpiece that rises at a sharp angle toward the heavens. At the top lies the king's chamber, built entirely of red granite. Inside sits a lidless sarcophagus, placed here before the roof was even sealed.
I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates.
But the pyramid is still yielding secrets. In 2026, researchers confirmed a groundbreaking discovery. My tomography has revealed a 30-meter-long hidden corridor tucked behind these very stones, potentially leading to a lost burial suite. This discovery is rewriting our understanding of the pyramid's internal architecture in real time. Just outside, another massive change has occurred. For decades, the Khufu solar boat stood in a museum right here on the south side. In a feat of modern engineering, this 4,600-year-old cedar ship was moved across the sand to its new home. It now rests in the Grand Egyptian Museum, a state-of-the-art facility linked directly to the plateau by a new pedestrian bridge. Once, this entire structure was encased in polished white limestone, reflecting the sun like a beacon. Today, only a few fragments remain. From the eastern cemetery, we see the smaller pyramids of Khufu's queens, standing as silent sentinels to his legacy. The precision is staggering. The pyramid's base is aligned to true north, with an accuracy of within 3/60ths of a degree. It wasn't built by slaves, but by a highly organized workforce of thousands who lived in a nearby village, fueled by the Nile's bounty. Preservation is now the priority. Strict visitor caps and humidity controls inside the chambers ensure this wonder survives for future generations. As of 2026, the experience is cleaner than ever. Electric shuttles have replaced cars, protecting the monuments from vibrations and smog. The Great Pyramid is just the beginning. The Giza Plateau holds many more secrets that we've yet to uncover. In our next episode, we'll move south to meet the Great Sphinx and explore the Pyramid of Khafre. Join us as we continue this journey. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.